We're going to talk about furniture plans today. So if you finished your assignment from the previous week, then your level 1 has probably already been renamed to Partition Plan. I had not done that on mine yet, but so you'll have that. And what that does is on your ceiling plans, it renames it as well. So you have your floor plan for your partition plan and your ceiling plan for your partition plan. So in my view that you see here, my furniture is hidden. So we'll just go ahead and unhide that. So if you click on the light bulb, it will show anything that's hidden in red. And I can right click on this and then unhide in view by category. That will get all of my furniture, and then go back to the light bulb and click on that again. So now it shows. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this view. So I'm going to right click on Partition Plan, go to Duplicate View, Duplicate, and it just says Partition Plan Copy. I'm going to go ahead and rename this. So again, right click and rename, and we'll make this our furniture plan. Okay. So there's a couple changes you'll want to make sure in here. You'll see that it carries over the furniture. It carries over the elevation tags. It does not carry over dimensions when you duplicate it. On your furniture plan, you should not show your elevation tags. So I'm going to choose this to hide in view category so it gets all pieces of my elevation. If I go back to my partition plan now, you'll see it doesn't make any changes there. So this is still showing. So it's just hiding it in that view. So in AutoCAD, you kind of turn layers on and off as you create different views. In Revit, you will hide elements that you don't want shown as you move it over. If I needed dimensions on this plan, then I would add those new dimensions as it goes over. But on your furniture plan, you typically don't have dimensions unless you are showing a specific location for a set of, for where a piece of furniture goes. The next thing we're going to look at is tagging your furniture. So Revit is often used for larger plans, commercial plans, where you will tag all of the furniture pieces, and then that coordinates back to a furniture schedule. For a residential plan, you may tag the furniture, you may not. It just depends on how your workflow or the design firm's workflow is for that. So to tag furniture, I'm going to come, I can find it, to annotate. I'm going to put tag by category. I'm going to come in and I'm going to click on just one piece of furniture. And yours will most likely have, so it says there's no tag loaded. Do you want to load one? So say yes. It's going to pull up our families. You're going to, under the English Imperial, you're going to go to annotations and then architectural, and then find your furniture tag. So there's a few different ones: furniture system, furniture tag quantity, etc. Just go with the standard furniture tag and hit open. Additionally, you want to make sure the leader is checked on, and then we're going to change the distance to 1/8 inch to keep it closer. Okay. So now when I go, it will place a furniture tag at each piece of furniture. Okay, so I'm going to go through, and for your groups, you actually go into the group to tag it. Okay, so let's just focus on what we have here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it just has a question mark. Typically for furniture, and we'll do this one. You give a letter, that's usually the first name of the type of furniture, and then a number for which one it is in that category. So this, we'll say it's D for desk 1. We'll say yes. Come up here again, and this is going to be C for chair 1. Okay. So when we go in here, we're going to edit our group. And it's not going to let me inherit that. So what you can do, sorry, with this, is you can tag a group of furniture. So we won't get into that. So you can hit no, but you'll see, especially as we get into finished plans for Revit, there's a lot more, they will do groups of things. So like if this is a repeat of a desk two, another chair one, and then two chair twos, we'll say. Each of these is the same. So I can make this group, give it a tag, and then it will correlate back to a furniture schedule, okay? So as you are going through this, we'll just focus on standalone pieces of furniture. So I will, for your assignment, have you add some more seating up here that is not grouped, and then we will tag that, okay? Your book also talks about creating furniture schedules. We are not going to get into that, so we're just going to focus on the plan piece of it, which basically will show the furniture and then the tags associated with it. And that will cover for furniture plans.